It popped up.
Good, let's do it. Do it again. Go.
Don't look at me.
Douchebag.
Point at the 5th fret.
Right, this time.
There it is. Right.
1, 2, 3, 4, and.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah.
Team.
Cool.
We'll put it on stage. Not
Say-
miles an hour, but
You watching the video or making one?
Cool. You ready?
yeah.
You're a dick.
What is that? Hang on.
There. Whoa.
Oh.
Let me go to the toilet. I'll come out. I'll do it.
Alright, cool.
I'm gonna call this passage Al's meltdown.
Passion of the D.
Nah, you can do better than
Where
that.
did that come from?
Told you you're gonna hate me eventually.
Oh, dude, cake with bread. Then you put the bread on it. then
Depending on what filling you're using, depends on the type of bread you should use. Ham and cheese, I would recommend a smaller loaf so that you get more coverage of your loaf. For a spread, I would recommend the larger loaf so that you get a more mighty sandwich. And subsequently a superior culinary experience.
Check him out.
That looks frightening, real.
Motherfucker.
Hang on.
Oh, just imagine how it's going to sound when the harmonies get put in. And end.
Leave my way through.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. stronger corner. Oh, yeah, okay.
There's so many fucking
Wait,
risks.
Yes.
Yeah.
To finish something like that.
Just watch the speed on the slides down. The slides up are nice and fast, just watch the speed on the slide down.
Right.
Just
I think you're doing the new genre of playing there.
Whammy slide.
Whammy slide, whammy
It's the
slide.
same fucking thing.